thought is controlled by the energy. Okay? Our thought is not controlling the energy. Energy is controlling the thought. We get always dual thoughts, and this dual thought is coming from two types of energy working in our body. One we call positive energy, one we call negative energy. Both is there in the body, and because of that, this thoughts coming. Whenever you plan for any work, always get dual thought. Do it or don't do it. Why that is happening? Because two energy is working in. So if you are able to increase your positive energy, the cosmic energy in your body, God energy in your body, success will come. If you are not able to increase and your negative energy, the devil energy increases in your body, the failure comes. So what your success, failure, your thought process, everything depends on energy and energy, nothing else. If you have high energy, everything will be better. If you have low energy, everything will be different. So try to increase your energy. Okay? Based on that energy only, you are going to react to the situation also. Okay? Everything you do based on your energy, your power. Energy is your power. So what you are thinking, what you are planning, what you are doing depends on your own power. How much power you have within you. Not the organization power. Post, I am not talking about the post. And then your own energy, your power. How much work you can do. How much planning you can do. How good you are in thinking. How good you are in planning. Or how bad you are in planning. That depends on your good and bad energy. Cosmic energy, good and bad. If you have good energy, your planning will be good. Your bad energy, planning will be bad. Sometimes you will be able to react very good, very well, and sometimes you don't know how to react even. This again depends on your energy. If your energy is high, you can react also in proper way. If your energy becomes low, you will not be able to react properly. You will not be able to think what to tell, what to talk. Before talking, the fear will come. You must have felt that. When you go to some place, before talking, fear comes. That indicates the negative energy is high at that particular moment. And some places, when you go for some talk, some discussion, you don't bother who is sitting, who is not sitting. You just tell your way. This is what I want, this is what I think. You become demanding. You are able to convince some person when your positive energy is high. You will be able to convince. Your power is high. Then you will be able to do that. So try to increase your cosmic energy. Meditate. Do some prayer. Increase your cosmic energy. Things will change. Thank you.
Thank you for watching us. Do subscribe for more such videos. Also, do not forget to ping us to join Spiritual Journey with Pran Shakti family.